My name is Marissa.
My name is Marissa.
And welcome
to the YouTube channel.
And welcome to the YouTube channel.
And welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Emma. If you didn't know, this used to be my YouTube channel, and now we're turning it into Marissa's. So Marissa, she's going to be going toys and toys around the house. We have so many in our room. We're going to show you all of them. But today, we're not, because we need to get things done. So tomorrow, come back to Marissa's YouTube channel, and you'll see every toy. You'll see this toy right over there.
Emma.
So, tell them what we need to do. Hit the bell.
The bell and you ding.
And like the video.
You like the video.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And guys, like my YouTube channel.
Is that what they need to do, Marissa?
Nope.
They need to do more?
Yeah. He's up in the pool and then go in the pool.
She's telling the story.
Other side.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.